Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
So how am I going to simplify this right here? A square root times a square root. So square root of 2 times square root of 3. I know that whenever I'm multiplying square roots, I keep one square root and then I multiply what I have in those square roots. So I put one square root. Now I'm doing 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is, do I have to think about this? Oh, that's 6. So I have square root of 6. But can I go ahead and simplify square root of 6? Nope. So that would just be my answer. What about that one right here? Again, I'm multiplying square root times a square root. And whenever I'm doing that, I keep one square root and then I multiply what I have in the square roots. So I have my square root. Now 2 times 5 is 10. So I put that right inside that square root. So square root of 10 is my answer because I cannot keep simplifying this. There's no way I can simplify it. That's not a perfect square and I can't do anything about it too. So that'll be my answer. What about that one? Again, I got square root times a square root. So I'm going to have one square root and then I multiply what I have in the square roots. So 6 times 8 and that is 48. So my answer is square root of 48. And can I simplify this? Well, for this I should be able to simplify this. I learned that even though it's not a perfect square, I can try to look for 2 numbers that when I multiply, I should get 48. One of the numbers should be a perfect square. So that means I have to remember all my perfect squares. And what are my perfect squares? So my perfect squares are, to be able to create, let me just create this real quick. To create my perfect squares, I can write 2 up to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to do this. 2 times 2 is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 10 is 100. So these would then be my perfect squares. So I can create my perfect squares that quick. So now I'm going to try to look for 2 numbers. When I multiply, I should get 48. One of them should be a perfect square. To be able to do that, I start with the number that is just less than 48. And that would be the 36. 48 divided by 36, that wouldn't work. 48 divided by 25, that wouldn't work. 48 divided by 16 is 3. So I got 48 divided by 16 is 3. So that means 16 times 3 is 48. So I got square root of 16 times square root of 3. So one of the numbers is a perfect square like I wanted. And square root of 16 is 4. And then I just bring down my square root of 3. So 4 square root of 3 will be my answer. But again, if I multiply, I just gotta remember that when I'm multiplying 2 square roots, I keep one square root, multiply what I have inside. If I can simplify, I'm gonna go ahead and do it like I had to do right here. But if I cannot simplify, I leave it like it is.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.